Create materials with VESTA tutorial. First, open a remote desktop session, via the main right-hand sidebar of our web interface. Open the Applications menu, located at the top of the remote desktop interface. Here, navigate to the VESTA Analysis and Visualization Software option, and open it. Click on File and then New Structure. In the resulting New Data dialog, first rename the new material entry being created to BCC iron. Then, navigate to the Unit Cell tab, and choose the appropriate space group option. Since iron has a BCC crystal structure, we need to select the space group number 229. We also give our iron unit cell its corresponding lattice parameter, of around 2.87 angstroms. We then navigate to the Structure Parameters tab. Here, we insert the list of atoms within the unit cell, by first assigning them their correct iron chemical identity out of the periodic table options. We only need to define the atom at the origin, since all other atoms are then automatically identified by space group symmetry. After defining the iron crystal structure parameters, its 3D graphic visualization can be inspected under the main VESTA interface. Let us spend a moment to review the general appearance of the BCC unit cell of iron, by rotating its visual representation. Now, open again the File menu, and select the Export Data option there. This allows us to export the crystallographic data of our BCC iron sample to a file, in the PostCar format, which we choose to save under the Dropbox folder linked under the user's main home directory, for its easier sharing across the Exabyte platform. We also confirm that we want the atomic position data to be saved in fractional coordinates. Now close the remote desktop interface. To return to the main web interface of our platform, navigate to the left-hand sidebar, and open the Dropbox option listed there. In order to retrieve the contents of the Dropbox folder, click on the previously created BCC iron PostCar file, in order to download it to the local disk. We conclude this tutorial by navigating to the main materials collection page for our account. From here, we upload the previously downloaded BCC iron PostCar file back onto our account-owned materials collection, via the relevant uploading option. Please wait until the uploading is finished. The entry for the BCC iron material sample can now consequently be retrieved under our collection of materials. Let us open this entry, in order to inspect its corresponding crystal structure parameters under the Materials Viewer interface of our platform. Here, we can also retrieve a similar 3D graphic representation of the BCC unit cell or iron as the one inspected previously under VESTA. This completes the present tutorial.